Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to backtest your trading strategies on TradingView in 2025. No coding required. Whether you're new to backtesting or just want a simple and effective way to practice your entries and exits, by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use all of TradingView's tools to simulate your trades and review how they would have played out in real market conditions. Let's jump right in so you can start sharpening your trading edge. First, we want to set our chart to the right time frame, so go ahead and move the interval to the one-day chart. Why one day? Well, trading strategies can look very different depending on the time frame you pick. The daily chart gives you a clean, big-picture view of trends without the noise you might find on shorter time frames. This is especially useful if you're testing swing or position trades over weeks or months, but you can absolutely try shorter intervals later on to see how your strategy holds up in different market conditions. Next, let's activate the bar replay feature. You'll find this at the top of your TradingView interface. It looks a little like a rewind button. Click the bar replay icon, and now think about what day in the past you want to backtest. Let's pick August 1st as our starting point. Simply drag the replay marker to August 1st on your chart. You should see all the price data after that point disappear, leaving you right where traders on August 1st would have been. No spoilers from future candles. Now within this bar replay mode, you'll notice a small player interface pop up, complete with play, forward, and even a replay speed control. You're the director here. Hit the play button to watch candles print one at a time, or adjust the speed if you want the action to move quicker. If at any point you want to jump right back to the present day, there's a handy button to return to the live chart view. This is super helpful if you want to compare your backtested trade with real-time price action or just start over. Let's do a quick test together so you can see how this process works in action. With your chart set to August 1st in replay mode running, hit play and let a few candles appear. Now take a look at your preferred indicator or price setup. Maybe you're watching for a moving average crossover or a classic candlestick pattern. When you spot a potential entry, go ahead and use TradingView's long or short position tool. If you think the price will rise, choose a long position. If you expect it to fall, pick a short. As you place your trade, you'll see visual markers for your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit directly on the chart. Don't stress if it feels fiddly at first. Traders of all experience levels need a little time to get used to timing their entries in replay mode. As you let the chart play forward, you'll be able to see how the price unfolds relative to your position. Did your stop get hit, or did your trade reach your target? With each candle, you're gathering priceless experience, no risk required. Pause anytime to take notes or reevaluate your plan. The beauty of this process is that you're learning from real historical data without the pressure of live trading. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Backtesting on TradingView is incredibly accessible, and you don't need to touch a single line of code. It's a fantastic way to practice, refine your strategy, and gain confidence before taking any real trades. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like and drop any questions or backtesting tips you have in the comments. I always love hearing how you approach your trading. And if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.